Yo, what's going on, everybody? Hopefully, y'all doing good today, man. I'm getting ready to take Christopher to school. Just opened up my charts and I see that we have been dumping. Last night still took a couple trades last night. During the Asian session. During the Asian session, come back down. I was trading. I took a couple shorts over here around the new week opening gap, coming down toward the sell side. And I see that we still been dumping overnight. So let's try to get our foots together. That's the AM session. Got a London session over here. All right, so we got some AM liquidity there. So if we don't hit that, that's some regular trading hour liquidity right there. Let's see what's going on here. Mark this is sell side, but let's go up first. Let me mark that real quick. I hit the wrong thing, but it'll be all right. Let's go up to a weekly time frame real quick. I see that that's a prior week's low. All right, that's a prior week's low, so I'm gonna mark that as a prior week's low. You ready? All right, give me 1 second. Mark that as a prior week's low, because this is a weekly low. A little bit more significant as far as time outside of like a regular trading hour. It's still significant as a regular trading hour, but it's a higher time frame PD array. So mark that as a weekly low. We got a new week opening gap resting down here from the fourth. I'm just looking at stuff that the algorithm could be attracted to the downside real quick. I like to get my mind together based off of that. And then I like to look at what's going on with the details. So we already took out the weekly low. There's a prior week low there. And there's a new week opening gap resting down there also. All right, so on the daily time frame, that's internal sell side liquidity for this range here. All right, but we're extending this range here, so we're extending the bearishness. Okay, so we was in the bullish dealing range there. We traded down into this internal liquidity. We created a bearish dealing range. When we took that out, traded back up to the premium, back up to the high probability inversion, and now we're trading back down. If we trade outside, if we take out that prior week low, we're extending this bearish dealing range. Okay, so we get our new week opening gap and we got our monthly low down there. All right, okay, going into the bearish season, seasonality. All right, so we've traded back up. Right, on this daily candle, now we're watching to see if this becomes an immediate rebalance, because we opened, traded into this candle here, because we closed with a possibility of making a small SIBI, but we traded back up, overlapped this candle. Now we're moving down, so we're looking to see if that'll be an immediate rebalance. Want to see, the next candle, or after that we just continue to expand into the liquidity. Yeah, and we're dumping today. So will the algorithm give us opportunity to participate? Don't know. Looking at a 60-minute chart. Yeah, we're dumping. All right, so there's those relative equal lows with that regular trading hours low plus that weekly prior week low. Sale program seems to be fully intact right here. Yeah, just a matter of will the algorithm give you an opportunity to participate. Right now, like I say, we've come down, right? We've extended the range, right? So coming from this high here to that low there, that's the current expansion of this bearish dealing range here. That's the current expansion there. So right now, equilibrium would be right here around this bearish order block for the current dealing range. Now, that's the SIBI. That's in the premium. And that's for right now before the market opens up. So yeah, looking to see if the market gives the opportunity to participate in this apparent move down. That's what I'm watching there for right now. If the market wants to treat all of this, right, as a complete balanced price range, right, you always want to keep that in mind. And we can watch from here, right, like that. Watch from there then, because we have this BISI, this SIBI, right, balanced price range. Stayed there for a minute, created an order block, and then dropped down, right? So now you can watch it from that high to that low and look for opportunities to participate. But me, I won't just dive in like that because we've made such a large move down, right? I would need the algorithm to show me that's what it wants at that point, right? I would need it to show me at this point here. I just won't just sell off of that SIBI as soon as it touch it. I would need the algorithm to show me something, right? Because we've had a really large move down right now from the open down to where we are now. We're down over 300 points right now from the open. All right, that's all I got. See y'all in the next one.